give the junta money, we can take him down. We have the brains, we have the resources. NUP? Everywhere. NUP? Kunga KYAGULANYI. Kunga KYAGULANYI. Kunga KYAGULANYI. Kunga KYAGULANYI. Why are we here? We have jobs to do. We've got a lot to do. We sacrifice to be here. The people you see me here are from all different walks of life. They do different jobs, ranging from doctors to nurses. I'm a cleaner, but I'm here to show solidarity with the Ugandans who were killed. 200 perished this month, 5 years ago. It's in remembrance of the dead who were killed by a junta in Uganda, who has been in power for 40 years. UK has had 14 prime ministers, plus Liz Truss was there for a few weeks. But Uganda has never changed ruler. You change leaders. Uganda has not changed the ruler. And you think that's democracy? How can you give the junta in Uganda over £1 billion for 40 years? When people still live in castle flats, when they still live poor, when they can barely have meals. Don't put down the people here. They have houses to pay, they have rent to pay, they pay tax. Why must UK taxpayers' money on Uganda, where the money goes to the corrupt? Keep the money to UK. We don't want that money to go to UK. Don't train the soldiers that kill us. They have killed, maimed, raped. Keep the money here. The money that goes to Uganda from UK kills us. The boots and uniform and the guns you buy is the money that kills the Ugandans. Don't send your money there. Stop funding Uganda. Stop funding Uganda. UK, stop funding Uganda. That money would be better used in UK than giving it to Uganda. I tell you, that money could go to good use in Uganda. £1 billion every year is not small change. When I talk here, don't think I live in a council flat. I live in a semi-detached house. I have a job. I've paid tax for 30 years. I'm a professional. When we talk, we're not begging. I'm not a beggar. I'm a professional. I'm a consultant. I know what I'm talking of. Resources should be well spent in UK and not give it to a corrupt leader in Uganda. Stop funding the military. The boots you pay for kill my sister here. The boots you pay for, the guns. This uniform is paid for by UK. These guys behind me here, you see the photograph, are trained by UK. They got to Sandhurst, learn the torture techniques. The torture techniques they learn are the ones they use on us to kill us. UK, stop funding the dictator. Is this democracy? 40 years in power. The junta in Uganda has been in power for 40 years. Some of you looking at me are barely 40 years. And then they think it's democracy. Funded by the UK. Stop funding the dictator. Thank you for listening.
As you add on my brothers, Dr. Kagezi, today we have to call off work. We are not jobless people, but today we come in this beautiful English weather for a simple reason. Uganda. We come from Uganda. We've been here long enough. We know what human rights means. We know what democracy means. And that's the reason why we are here today. To seek the same democracy we enjoy here to happen in Uganda. The same respect of human rights we enjoy in the UK. To be the same thing in Uganda. But vice versa in Uganda. Ugandans, we've been living under the junta Museveni of Uganda for the last 42 years. Being brutalized, sodomized, women are being raped, Ugandans are being tortured to death, while the UK sends £1 billion to Uganda to facilitate, to enable the brutal dictator to long stay in power by torturing Ugandans, by raping women in Uganda, by sodomizing young boys in Uganda under this brutal dictator Museveni of Uganda. This is happening on the watch of the UK government.
Yes.
The UK government sends £1 billion. Your man and my man are paying taxes.
Yes.
To long stay the brutal dictator Museveni of Uganda.
Stop the money.
This is double standard from the UK government. They condemn dictators around the world, and in the night they are dining with Museveni of Uganda. The UK government carries out business as usual in Uganda, regardless of the human rights abuses in Uganda, regardless of Uganda not being a democratic country, regardless of this junta having stayed in power since 1986. This brutal dictator Museveni, he came to power the time of Margaret Thatcher. The brutal dictator of Uganda, he came to power the time of Ronald Reagan. They are all dead, but still the UK pumps in £1 billion to long-stay the brutal dictator. That £1 billion should be used to help our brothers and sisters, the homeless people in London and the UK. That money should go and help our policemen who are being paid peanuts. While Museveni, the dictator of Uganda, is the richest brutal dictator in Africa at a cost of £15 billion. And then the UK government sends your man and my money to long stay the brutal dictator of Uganda, Museveni. People power, our power. The UK government should be ashamed.
Thank you.
For supporting the brutal dictator of Uganda. The UK government should stop the training of militias from Uganda. The man I'm holding, the photo I have in my hands, this man was trained. His name is called Muchiri. Muchiri, this man was Sandhurst trained down in Surrey. This man is a monster now in Uganda. This is a man who was trained in the best military academy in the world. But when he went back to Uganda, he's a monster. A man who is raping, a man who is sodomizing, a man who is killing Ugandans. We have another one here. This man here is the commander of the special forces in Uganda, in charge of raping and torturing Ugandans, murdering Ugandans. He's a Sandhurst trained military so-called officer. Your man and my man will spend training this bastard. My man and your man and the taxpayer, they paid for his training. This man went back to Uganda and now is a monster. The notorious rapist, the notorious murderer, the man who is kidnapping Ugandans on daily basis. Gabriela Christopher. Those are his names. If you got Sandhurst, you'll see his name on the Hall of Fame that he was trained in Sandhurst. This is the man who tortured Ugandans on daily basis. We all want us to believe that Sandhurst trained monsters. No. We all want us to believe that Sandhurst, they teach them better techniques like the waterboarding. Of course, no. But this is the Uganda today, under this brutal junta, Museveni of Uganda. People power, our power, NUP,
Everywhere.
everywhere.
NUP.
This is our country, Uganda.
Yes.
These are the monsters trained in the UK.
Yes.
These are the
Pereza mutabani wange ankolera muwagizi ankolera mu dduuka.
That's why we are condemning the UK government for training monsters. Stop the £1 billion to Uganda every year. The training of militias from Uganda should be stopped. about democracy. While the UK stands with dictators around the world. We are the victim of this brutal junta from Uganda. We are not here by choice, but we are here because we have to be here. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
It's not like we are enjoying the weather today,
Yeah.
but we have to come out.
Yes.
We have to come with a coffin.
Yes.
This coffin represents the Ugandans who have been murdered, the Ugandans who have been tortured in those torture chambers, and they died. We don't know their whereabouts. Today we bring the coffin today. We bring the coffin to the representative of repression in Uganda, the so-called embassy of Uganda, led by the Madivali family. We are calling on our brothers from Indian origin that Uganda is for us. Uganda is not for you alone. You left Uganda that Idi Amin wanted to kill you. Now today, you are standing with a brutal dictator who is killing Ugandans. Please, 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 remember the time of the brutal dictator you say Idi Amin. If you bring Idi Amin today and Museveni, Idi Amin is a saint. Idi Amin is a saint. They claim he has killed 50,000. Museveni has killed 5 million Ugandans. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Museveni is in Somalia. Museveni is in DRC Congo in the name of M23. Museveni is in Southern Sudan in the name of liberation. And all these arms and ammunitions are coming from the UK.
Yes.
Our question today, is the UK involved in the torturing of Ugandans? Tell me.
Yes.
We need to know.
Yes,
People
they
power.
are.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Thank you.
People power!
Our power.
Our power!
People power.
People power!
Our power.
Our power!
People power.
Chagulanyi Jew!
Chagulanyi
Jew!
Jew!
Chagulanyi Jew! Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
these are the people of Uganda. They have been a lot of bloodshed in Uganda. 40 years of the dictator.
Yes.
We are crying out. We are reaching out to everyone.
Yes.
Please, everyone with a human heart, look at Uganda. Don't shy away from the bloodshed. It hasn't been today. It hasn't been yesterday. It has been 40 years of Museveni's government. We lost over 500,000 lives when he came to power. We supported him. Our parents supported him, thinking he's going to liberate us. Now we are the victims. We are the victims. Our parents are gone. We are going. He's killing our children. We only have you to help. Please put your hands together. Let's bring this to an end. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. We stop the funding.
Stop the funding.
Stop the funding.
Stop the funding.
Every money you use to send to our government is used to kill us.
Yes.
We bought ammunition. We just putting money into wars. And these wars are to Ugandans. We don't have wars with anyone else.
No.
It's our government killing us.
Yes.
Free all political prisoners. Free all political prisoners. Stop child abuse.
Stop child abuse.
Stop killing women.
Stop killing women.
Stop killing men.
Stop killing men.
Stop imprisoning people without any crime.
Stop.
This must stop.
Yes.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Museveni must go.
Kati bannange, we are going to have a group photo. Kyetugenda okuweereza Museveni to tell him that we in the UK, we are waiting for that day to come. And the coffin here is a symbol of Museveni that at least as Ugandans will give him a coffin like one we have here. We are here to remember our people who perished in those unsolved murders. Katioke now, as we take a group photo, everyone will have a poster in your hand, and you raise up the left hand up and the right hand up in remembrance of our brothers and sisters who were brutally murdered by the brutal dictator Museveni of Uganda. Yes. Come on now.
We are fighting for freedom. So come see. Yeah? Kansoke mpozinge kooti genda kudda
tugende mu Uganda Mukama abankuumi.
tugenda kudda kansoke tuveeko bagenda kuba ennyimba ate nga sirina copyright.